Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you a tour of all of my fidgets. So I have this stuff. This one is shaped as an Among Us. This is a Poppet, by the way. So yeah. I really like this one. I got this one in Columbia at the zoo, and it was like really fun. Yeah, you guys. No, we got it at the mall. Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Have you clicked that like and subscribe button? You haven't? Well, go ahead and do that now. I'll wait. Have you done it? Okay, good. Now back to the video.
Next, we have this ball that I do not like. Can't even squish it that good. I have multiple of them all around my room, but like, yeah. Then we have the lonely little pea popper. Just hold on. Where's the face? Oh, here. I'm trying to get it. Doo-doo. Looks so cute. Yeah, it's really nice. And then I will get my textured monkey noodles. Well, I really couldn't even see this one yet. It was so camouflaged into it. It's stuck! It's a monkey noodle tsunami. No, monkey noodle tornado. See? All of these ones. Then we have just these monkey noodles. Yeah, there's some more, but like, yeah. Then I have my wacky tracks. Me and my dad were playing with them when my dad was on the phone with someone. And like, these are like, they're not my favorite, but like, they're pretty cool. My dad connected these and he literally just stole them from me. Next, I have my Dimple. I don't really like this one because it like only has 5, and like, yeah. Next we have this really cool cactus poppet, and also look, it has many cactuses on it, if you can see it. It's really cool. Then I have this like ultra rare one that like I've never seen anyone have this before. A Spider-Man one. My dad got this from the gas station. How can a gas station have this? This. It's so weird. But yeah, I really like this one. Stretchy springs. I don't know what they're called. But yeah. So yeah. And also, guys, look. I also got a new bag today. Look. There's so much of them. So, see? First, I have these little, like, things. These little, like, guy things. Stickmen. And then just, like, yeah. And then I have this infinity cube. I've seen these, like, all over TikTok. These are, these are like really popular. Well, I haven't seen them all over, but like whenever I watch like YouTube videos, I see them like every single time. Like whenever they do like an ad or something, they have it. Then I have these new, yeah. It's a mini poppet. I couldn't even think of the name for a second. Then I have this elephant mochi. Then I have the Stegosaurus one. Then I have some more textured more textured monkey noodles. I've never seen a pink one before. Only on YouTube I have, but like, yeah. Where's my other ones? Okay. Here. Here's mine. And then Got my Maggi noodles. These snail ones are like cute. I have these really cool, like marble mesh. But yeah. Then I have my bike chain. Cannot get my finger through. Then I have these poppets. After I give you guys a tour, I'm just gonna unbox all of them. So yeah. And this one. And then this. These two are already unboxed because me and my dad were playing with them. Because I got these today. So yeah, I got them. Alright. So yeah. It's time to unbox. This is in the alphabetical order. See? A, B, C, D, A, K. I'm just not gonna sing it. Open up this. Do not tell my mom that I'm using scissors. Okay. Twinsies. Open up my mini poppet. I love these things. Yes, look how good. The video accidentally restarted. I do not know how that even happened. But anyways, going to give you guys some ASMR. And these are like really new. They're like really hard to squash.
Hey guys, so I did have a lot more footage, but my knee was in the way. So the video's gonna have to stop here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye!